Hello everyone, myself Dr. Savinath JP from T.T.T Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about minor and cofactor of matrix. So in the previous records, ನಮ್ಮ YouTube channel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ previous videos ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು what you mean by determinants, what you mean by matrix that we discussed. Even though some of the operation of matrix as well as simplification of determinants we are discussed in the previous videos. So ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಥರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ very first we'll discuss about minor, then later we'll discuss about a cofactor of matrix in this video. So dear students, what do you mean by minor? Suppose if you are going to consider any square matrix means the matrix is consisting of equal number of rows and column. Suppose here is a 3 rows into 3 column. This is one of the square matrix. Here n different elements are here. Elements means numbers. Illiranta numbers. Instead of numbers navilli their respective position alli express ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Suppose if you are going to consider this is the a1 is a one element. For a11 is nothing but the elements which are positioned in first row and first column. Now if you want to write minor ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so we are going to cancel their respective rows as well as column. Suppose a11 minor of a11 is nothing but we have to cancel first row and first column. See, observe here the cancelling first row and first column, then we will get a second order determinant. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, then we will get a second order determinant. So that is going to call it as minor of the element a11. Suppose here for this case I am going to consider a11 that equal to a11 minor of a11 will be equal to, suppose if we cancel first row first column, then we have these 4 elements. That is what we have to write in the form of determinant like a22 a23 a32 a33. That is going to consider as minor of element a11. Similarly, I am going to consider one simple example for you. Here let A is a matrix, then if you want to write a minor, so minor of a11 will be equal to, so if you cancel first row first column because 11 ಆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, if you cancel that we will get second order matrix, that is a22 a23 a32 a33. See, this is what second order matrix. So this is we are written in the form of determinant. So last video ನಾವು discussion ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ how to simplify the determinant. So according to that the determinants can be simplified by the product of first principal element minus product of second principal element, nothing but a22 into a33 minus product of second principal element, nothing but a32 into a23. So by this way I can find minor of element a11. Suppose let's take one more example. Suppose if you are going to consider minor of a22. Where is 22? The 22 is you can observe here, this is the a22. So nothing but that is the second row second column. If we cancel second row second column, then we will be having that is a11 this element this element this element this element, next a13 here will be a31, next a33. These are the 4 elements. Now that we can simplify like again product of first principal element, nothing but a11 into a33 minus a31 into a13. So this is the way of simplifying. I mean we can get the minor of any respective elements. Just given 2 examples for you. So and next another thing is cofactor. So what do you mean by cofactor then? So minor is nothing but by removing the respective rows and column we will get a second order determinant, that is going to call it as minor. So the cofactor means the next important topic, that is cofactors. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು cofactor ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ, that is if you want to find, that means the cofactor we can obtain just by multiplying the proper sign to the minor of matrix. ನಾನೊಂದು minor of the matrix ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೈನ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ then I can find cofactor. So what is the proper sign? The proper sign is nothing but it may be a plus or minus. So dear students, if the minors are multiplied by proper signs, we have to concentrate more on this. that is plus or minus, we will get a cofactor. So here the sign to be multiplied are given in the following rows. Always ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first starting plus minus plus. So next will be the minus here plus minus, next plus minus plus. Here one more element means, suppose here one more element means again minus, next will be the plus minus plus minus plus, like it will go on proceeding. So these are the proper sign we are going to consider for a minor. Again on multiply ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can develop cofactor of matrix. So now suppose cofactor of element 1 1 is, see in the last we discussed that here cofactor of 1 1 is what, a22 a23 a32 a33. Suppose if you come into here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಬೈ ದ ವೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ cofactor of matrix. Let me consider one example. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ cofactor of matrix. Suppose here if you want to write cofactor, so let me consider cofactor of a11. See, dear students, we know that what is the proper sign, that is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So this is a proper sign. In a11, in that position, what is the sign there? In their respective sign is plus, so consider plus. If you cancel first row first column, then a22 a23 a32 a33. So this is a proper sign. So next, suppose if you want to write cofactor of, cofactor of a12, 12 means first row second column. If you cancel first row second column, in their position what is the sign? The proper sign is minus, so consider minus there. Then if you cancel first row second column, a21 a23 a31 a33. So next, this you can simplify it because this is the 2 cross determinants formal ide. So like keep it minus. Then if you want to multiply the first principal diagonal element, nothing but ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗಿದು, then it will becomes a21 into a33 minus next product of second principal diagonal element, nothing but a31 into a23. By this way we can get the value of cofactor. So next time ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, by the simplification we can get a value. So this is what procedure till now ನಾನು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು. This is how to obtain the minor as well as cofactor. This is the procedure. Next thing is, let me take one example. Suppose if a equal to 3 minus 1 5 4 3 2 1 8 7 187. So this is one matrix. Then cofactor of 4 is dash. Then cofactor of 4 is dash. See here 4 is a one element. Dear friends, the 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ cofactor. So nothing but see in there what is the respective signs, like plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. These are the sign ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Where is the 4? 4 is here. Just observe here. 4 is here. Is nothing but suppose cofactor of 4 equal to, I am going to write the cofactor for 4. A 4 position ಏನಿದೆ sign, the sign is minus, so keep it same. Next will be, suppose if you cancel second row first column, then what are the elements? That is minus 1 5 8 7. So next, if this minus you have to keep it same. How to simplify this determinant? The determinant can be simplified by product of first principal diagonal element. I mean minus 1 into 7 minus 7 minus 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40. So finally minus 7 minus 40 is minus 47. So finally the minus of minus plus 47. So the my final answer, that is cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4 is 47. By this way we can find cofactor for any elements. ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು cofactor for every elements we can write. So next, let me consider one more example. Before that, if you want, these are the questions we are actually considering from our textbook only. If you want, it will be available in Flipkart, Amazon, even though you can directly contact to us also. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. Next question is, if A equal to, here again there are one matrix, 3x3 matrix. Then the minor of element 5 is, ನೋಡಿ cofactor ಅಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here is a minor. ಏನು minor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, see dear students, so without considering the sign, that is a minor. Minor of 5. Where is 5? Again see 5 is here. Nothing but here 1. If you want to write minor means don't consider the sign. If you want to write cofactor means sign na consideration ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So for the minor of 5. So without sign, like ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if you cancel first row, second column, that is 2, 3, -1, -1. Then how to simplify this determinant? That means I can simplify like 2 into -1, that is -2 minus -1 into 3. What is -1 into 3? That is -3. So finally -2 minus of minus plus 3. -2 plus 3 is 1. Therefore, minor of 5 is 1. That is the answer. See, it is a simple way. Simple ಆಗಿ ನಾವು minors and cofactor find ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. The next question is, the minor of element 3 in a matrix A is, see, minor of the element 3 in a matrix A is, here is a matrix. So in that matrix, where is 3? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 3? ಅವನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. That means here in the matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ here is 3. Okay? Suppose if you want to find again minor of 3 equal to, that is located positioned in first row, third column. If you cancel first row, third column, then your value will be -1, -2, -3, -2. Next, how to simplify this? That is product of first principal diagonal element, nothing but -1 into -2 minus product of second principal diagonal element, -3 into -2. So finally minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 minus. If you come into here, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So finally -4. The -4 is a minor of 3. The minor of 3 is -4. Minor of 3 is -4. So next question, we'll proceed with the next one. Hope that then according to this, which is the right option? See, B is a right option. B is a right option. Next question. See, again here is one of the question. I mean a 3x3 matrix is given. In that, then the cofactor of element 5 is. What is the difference from previous question and this question? In the previous question, we discussed it, we stated that ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ 5 is means equal. Cofactor of 5 equal to, where is 5? Again see, this is the position. If that is in first row, second column. If you cancel first row, second column, see here I am writing cofactor ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we need to consider the sign. That means ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus plus minus plus minus plus. See, the 5 is in here, that means minus. So consider minus here. Then if you cancel first row, second column, that is 2 3 minus 1 minus 1. Then minus of, how to simplify this? That is product of first principal and element. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Minus of minus agate, so the reason. So minus outside. Here minus 2 minus of minus plus 3. Again ಈ minus ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is, that is 1. So again now this multiplication, I mean ಈ minus ಇವಾಗ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then your answer is minus 1. The cofactor of 5 is cofactor of 5 is minus 1. That is what your answer. See, this is the way, simple way nalli irutte cofactor and minus, you have to understand the concept. So next is the value of cofactor of A. See, in this question this is very important. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ 3x3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we are finding cofactor for any element, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ we are finding cofactor of matrix, but the matrix here is 2x2. Again, it's simple, dear students. If you want to write cofactor means, that is what our proper sign is, plus minus minus plus. So now we need to write cofactor for all the element. Ella elements kuda ನಾವು cofactor ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. If you write cofactor, let me consider CF. What do you mean by CF? That is cofactor. Cofactor of first element. What is the first element? 4. In that position, plus. If you cancel first row, first column, the value is 1. That means plus of 1 is 1. So cofactor of 4 is 1. Similarly, if you come into second one, cofactor of 2. Where is 2? See, observe here. And that position, what is the sign? Our positional sign is minus. If you cancel first row, second column, then the value is minus 3. This is minus 3. So next, minus into minus, plus 3. Next, cofactor of next element, that is here, that is minus 3. For this element, E element position is the sign of minus. So again consider minus here. Then if you cancel second row, first column, second row, first column cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು 2. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದೀಗ, then plus into minus, minus, minus 2. Next, finally, cofactor of last element, that is 1. 1 is here. In that respective element's position is ಲಿರಂತ sign ಯಾವುದು plus. So plus. If you cancel second row, second column, the value is 4. That is 4. So dear students, these are the cofactor of respective elements. But ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು, cofactor of matrix. So simple. Therefore cofactor of A, that means CF, cofactor of A equal to, what is A? Where A is a matrix. ಅಲ್ಲಿರಂತ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರು 1, 2 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3, minus 3 ಗೆ that is minus 2, for 1 that is 4. So this is cofactor of A. This is cofactor of A. That means if you want to write cofactor for matrix means we need to find cofactor for every elements. Latest is we have to substitute to their position. ಆ ಒಂದು position ಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is a cofactor of matrix. Let us consider next question. The cofactor of the element minus 3 in the matrix. See, where is minus 3? Again, here is a position. This is a position. That means that in this position, what is the sign? Always, that is plus, minus, or minus. So, cofactor of minus 3 equal to, in that position, sign is minus. If you cancel first row, second column, the value elements will be 6, 4, 1, minus 7. Then minus, keep it same. If you cancel the product of first principal diagonal element, like 6 into minus 7, 7 6 ja, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, minus 42, minus 4 1 ja 4. So finally, minus, keep it same. Minus 42 minus 4 is minus 46. So finally, minus into minus, that is plus 46. So therefore, cofactor of minus 3 is plus 46. Just you can observe in your options. See, A is a right option for this question. So this is a way we can find cofactor. Next. So even though in our academy we are conducting offline as well as online classes, those who wish you can contact to us. Actually ಒಂದು weekend and crash course classes ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. For the better things, to get a good rank for in your DCET, you can approach to us. We are conducting online as well as offline class at T.T.T Academy. See, one more question. Dear students, I am going to discuss here our another question, that is previous year question paper question. If you look at DCET 2013 question paper question, that is the minor of the element 6 in a matrix. What do you mean by minor? Without considering the sign. So let us consider the question here. That is minor of 6, element 6. Where is 6? See, observe here. In the given matrix, 6 is here. That means it is located in second row, third column. Suppose if you cancel second or third column, the 2 minus 3, 3, 2. So next, the product of first principal element 2 into 2, that is 4, minus 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, but already minus ಇದೆ. So ಇದು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ minus 9, minus of minus, nothing but 4 plus 9. The 4 plus 9 is 13. Then what is answer? Cofactor of 6 is, that is 13. So 13 is the right option. See, this is a question. ಎಷ್ಟು simple ಆಗಿದೆ. Next question is, in the year of 2015, that is the cofactor of 0 in a matrix A. Cofactor of 0. Where is 0 in the matrix? Again in the same position. E position is that is a 0. Cofactor of 0. So if you want to find cofactor of 0 equal to. So what is our standard things? Sign plus minus plus minus plus minus. That means in that position in barata minus. So keep it minus here. If you cancel second row, third column, then the elements are 3 minus 2, 2, 7. So then your answer will be minus, keep it same. 3 into 7, that is 21, minus 2 into minus 2, that will be minus 4. Minus 4. Already minus is there. So minus of minus plus 4. Then minus 21 plus 4 is 25. So nothing but minus 25 is a cofactor of 0. See, cofactor of 0 is minus 25. So which is your option? We can observe here where A is a right options. So this are the concept with respect to your minor and cofactor of matrix. So for similar videos, please subscribe our channel. Thereby we will get a n number of classes in upcoming days. Thank you for watching our video. All the best. Good luck.